Alright, hello. We've just received a new product, the KEL2020 plug and play system, and we're about to unbox it and show you, we received these 3 large packages and they ship via UPS, and we're going to show you what all this product contains, and we're going to unbox this. Let's see what we get. Alright, we got some effective packaging papers here. Put that to the side. We've got a flyer here on the system showing everything that comes with the system. 2 terminals, 2 power supplies, 120 volts, 4 telescoping carriers, 54 feet of tubing with couplings, 2 bends with couplings, brackets, and tape. Let's see if we got everything in here. So if I start taking out this is a power supply, obviously 120 volts, 24 volt DC here, and we have 2 of those on hand. Then we have 220 volt to the wall cables here. And if you can see in the box, we have 2 terminals. We're going to take them out right here and show you what these consist of. So on the KEL2020 unit, just to give you what I see right away, is a aluminum tube, fabrication here for the main body of the terminal. Then a polycarbonate body here with a slider latch for locking and opening the unit. And as you see, it's got a locking slider, so when it's open, it's locked in the up position. Close it. Follow the simple instructions here, down to secure. It's a high durability powder coat finish on the blower, and has a simple single push button operation. Let's plug this thing into the power unit and see if it works. Here we have the power unit, and it's plugged in. So we connect the 120 volts, which could also run right off the wall, but then you won't use the button. But a quick way to test the blower would be to use that. Plug in the push button operation. An operational blower unit for half the system. So as you can see, all these units, they're intact. Very simple, effective, easy to use blower units, coming with a standard carrier inside of one of the units, a one-use push button, and I like the finish on it. It's very durable, looks like it would last for a while, and especially for the price of the system, I'm impressed. So now that's the smallest box that came with this system. We're going to move on to the next largest box. So here you see the second largest box. It says it comes with 2 bends with couplings, brackets, and tape to assemble a system. Let's open it up. It's not the largest box, but it's pretty large. A lot of packing materials. Here you can see we have the PVC tape for wrapping the pipe at the joints to keep it airtight and make sure the system is effective. Probably won't need all this, but there it is. Then we have 2 bends as described, taped together. If you look at the end, you have a coupling And this coupling can be loosened and tightened and slid on the bend, and that's how you create the joint for the system. And it looks like the other couplings on that side. Right here. And so you have the ability to create the system to go vertically and then turn over and transport horizontally. And this heavy box is the brackets. It must be. You can look at those. So these are simple bracket designs. You got 5 holes. Those you can attach to any surface. Just buy regular drywall screws, anything. I mean, even like this surface, you could attach it. You have 8 of these units for the system. So you space them out evenly, giving support to the system. And then inside here, you have the Unistrut clamps that have the hardware. Take the hardware out. Fix it in the Unistrut. And that's how you attach the tube to a wall or a hanger or a ceiling. All that seems intact. Looks good. So on finally to the last box. If I take the sheet here, the long box here, it's about 6 feet long. It has a straight tube in it, 54 feet with couplings on tube. Let's take a look. So it's a light gauge aluminum tube, looks like, and you know, hard, but you should be careful. Probably dents very easily, and your system would not work if you were denting the tube that it was going to travel through. But as you can see on each piece of tube, you have a coupling, a steel bolted coupling that you can slide and adjust if you just loosen the coupling here. And if you take a look, each tube comes with a coupling, and there's 8 lengths of tube in this package, which would bring it to the proper distance of the system. So all seems in order, and that's the unboxing of the KEL2020 plug and play system.